Hello, welcome back to Star Chronicles. In today's video, we are going to learn about ENV command in Linux. The ENV command is a powerful utility used to display, manage, and modify environment variables in Linux system. With the ENV command, you can view environment variables, create temporary variables, remove variables, run command with custom environment, launch script with the correct interpreter. So what are the environment variables? The environment variables are dynamic values stored by the operating system that affect how program and processes behave. Some common variables include path, home, user, shell, pvd. These variables help Linux know where commands are located, which user is logged in, the current working directory, and much more. The most common use of ENV is displaying all environment variables. So let's run ENV and we see all environment variables. Let's clear the screen, run echo and environment variable echo path. The path variables tell Linux where to search for executable command. To display home directory, you can run echo home. Display the current user home directory. Show the currently logged in user, you can run echo user. To run env command with -a option, clear the existing environment before running new command. So let's run env -i and bash. This launches new shell with almost no environment variable. Run env. Only minimal variables remain because the environment was cleared. This is useful for testing scripts in clean environment. Let's exit, clear our screen. You can temporarily define variable while running a command. How you can do that? You can run env, for example, my var equal Linux, then bash -c, for example, echo my var. Enter. This run one command with that variable. Run this command with this variable. So this variable exists only for that command execution. How you can remove environment variable? You can remove with -u option. For example, env -u home bash -c echo and home. Let's print home. The home variable was removed for this session. This can help test application behavior when variables are missing. The -0 option ends each line with null character instead of new line. So let's execute env -0, enter. This option is useful in scripting and automation, especially when handling file names containing space or special characters. Let's clear our screen. You can check the installed version of the command using env-installed. Okay, sorry, env-version in this way. How you can display help information? You can run env-help. This display all supported option and usage instructions. So we see many options. Ignore environment, start with empty environment, null, and each output line with null, not new line, onset -u, remove variable from environment, -C, change directory, change working directory to dir, and other option, debug, help, version. That's all for this lesson. See you in the next one.